First five. Last first five. Yun na niya, pre. Yun ang first five natin. Sige, pasok. Wait lang po pag dead ball. Kulang na isa po, kulang.
Okay, number 10, 2 points. Score 0-2.
Try nyo po dito. Meron po dyan na 7-Eleven. Labas lang po. Okay.
Score 0-2. Remind ko, both teams ha, may backward violation number 15. Pinasa kay number 10, no good. Okay, same ball, 8 seconds to shoot. Same ball, 8 seconds to shoot. No good, rebound by Raps. Raps pinasa kay, bad pass. Number 10, no good. Rebound by Kyle. Kyle, pinasa kay Rap. Rap, 2 points. Score 4-2. Nice pass, number 10, 2 points. Score all 4. Remind ko, both teams may dalawang timeout per game. Kyle, pinasa kay number 4, Borja. Pinasa kay Justin. Justin, 2 points. Score 6-4. Number 15, binalik kay number 18. Pinasa kay number 13. 2 points by number 13. Okay, steal by number 10. Number 10, 2 points. Chillax lang kayo. Okay. Okay, wait. Foul. Foul muna. Labas po. Game, wala po tayong first ball mga bossing. Wala po tayong first ball. Wala po tayong hold. Sa GIS 21 lang po tayo may hold. Number 15, teardrop is good. Score 8-10. Kyle. Kyle, no good. Rebound by Rap. Rap, no good. Rebound by Christopher. Christopher, no good. Kala ko tira yun ah. Bad pass by Kyle. Number 15. Okay, lifting. Okay. No good by Rob. Okay, rebound by Rob. Rob, dire-diretso. Hindi nasa lunod Christopher. Oras 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Nice. Grabe, 8-12. Okay, steal. Okay, 2 points. 8-14. Borja, no good. Rebound by number 13 pero out of bounds. Oras, last 4 minutes, 14 to shoot. Good po, wala po tayong first ball. Okay. No good by Kyle. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. 2 points. Sayang wala yung mga big man natin. No? Borja, no good. Rebound by Robs, 2 points. Score 10-16. Number 15, Reyes. To make number 10. No good. Okay, 2 points by number 13. Score 10-18. Nice pass by Borja. Rob, no good. Okay, 2 points by Rob. Score 12-18. Time remaining 3 minutes 58 seconds. Number 15 pinasa kay number 7. Number 7 2 points. Score 12-20. Nice shot by Kyle. Score 14-20. No good. Rebound by Kyle. Remind ko, may gather ball po tayo, ha? Robs, 2 points. Score 16-20. Nice shot by number 13. Score 16-22. Borja. Okay, backcourt violation. Backcourt, dito po tayo. Number 7, 2 points. Sixteen 24. Rob, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 13. May foul? Patawag po agad at palakas. Good po, wala tayong first ball. Okay, number 10, 2 points. Score 16-26. Number 13. Okay, good, good. Steal by number 18. Number 18. No good. Rebound by Kyle. Two points by Justine. Score 18-26. 2 points by number 13. Score 18-28. Okay, same ball. Last touch by number 15.
Hindi mo na kaya?
Okay, wait. Counted yun ha. Wait lang, may sasablang ha. 20-28. Okay, game. Okay, 2 points. Score 20-30. Number 13, pinasa kay number 3, no good.
Yan, mapapalabang ka. Tingnan mo. Puro ang tatanggol yan.
2 points by Rob. Score 22-30. Number 13, no good. Rebound by Justine. Justine to Rob.
Yung kalaban nila.
Si Jobs.
Hinihintay ko, hindi pa nagre-reply eh.
Okay, last touch by number 18. Time remaining 54 seconds. Rob, 2 points. 26-30, last 47.
Pre, excuse lang.
Okay. "41 seconds, 18 to shoot. Number 18, first try, no good. Rebound by Rob, last 35 seconds. Rob. Okay Good yan loose. Grabe, lumipad siya. Score 26-32, last 23 seconds. Last 18 seconds. Okay, steal by Justine, last 10 seconds. Rob, no good. Rebound by Justine. 5.4 seconds remaining. 5.4 seconds. 3 seconds. 3. 1.2 seconds. Okay. Score 28-35. Dito po bola.
First half pa lang po yun, meron pang isang...
Bakit na yung gato? Score.
28-35. Pito po kayo.
Address tayo ba?
Hindi, gano'n tayo sa 30. Ha? Aba. Meron pa po dyan.
Dito kami?
Aba, bali nagpalit lang po tayo kasi change court. Para hindi nakakalito. Kasi pag hindi ko inano, baka isipin nyo pagpagod, ito yung inyo eh. At least kung 10 yung win.
Okay. Back to the ball game. Dito po bola. Bola po ng joiners. Ay ng regulars. Dito po bola ha. Tandaan nyo po ha, basta nilabas ang bola, good po yun ha. Hindi kailangan humintay ng depensa. Good po yan. No good. Rebound by Kyle. Kyle to Rob. Rob 2 points. Score 35-30. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, 2 points.
Parang may slaughter.
Score 37-30. Steal by number 13. Okay, foul daw. Tawag po agad ha. Oras 7 minutes 8 seconds 14 to shoot. Kyle, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18, no good. Rebound by Kyle. No good by Justin. Nakuha ni number 18. No good. Rebound by number 4, Borja. Steal by number 13. Sayang yung passing yun. Hindi na-anticipate. Oras 6 minutes 23 seconds. 7 lang po ang kalamangan. Nice shot pero no good. Rebound by Justin. Justin to Kyle. Pinasa kay Borja. Borja. No good. Number 10, no good. Good po yan ha. Good, good, good. Okay. Wait lang. Out of bounds. 5 minutes, 49 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay, labas na lang po. Number 18, pinasa. No good. Rebound by number 15, Christopher. Number 3, no good. Malakas po ng tawag ng foul, mamaya hindi na po natin tatanggapin. Okay, steal by number 18. Number 18, ang ganda ng pasang yun, isushoot pa. No good. Nice steal by number 18. Okay. Dito po ang bola. Time remaining 5 minutes 3 seconds. Rob, no good. Okay, 2 points. 37-32. No good. Rebound by Justin. Justin, 2 points. Score 37-34. May foul counted po tayo. Okay, rebound by Christopher. Christopher, rebound by steal by number 13. Number 13, no good.
Dalawang timeout per game. Pwede silang time-out. Pero kailangan possession nila. Foul ba? Muna? Foul muna, okay. Pag late, pag nasa lapag pa po, hindi pwedeng hindi pa yun.
Okay, 2 points. Score 37-36. Okay, time out. Okay, game na po. Isa na lang po kalamangan ng Team Joiners. No good. Rebound by Rob. Rob to Kyle. Nako, lalamang na ba sila? Hindi pa. Rebound by number 13. Okay, steal. Nakuha. Nice steal by Kyle. Kyle to Rob. Rob to Borja. Pero bawal mong ganun. Nice. Number 18, 2 points. Lamang po ng 4. Ay ng 3. Ang Team Joiners. 14-36. Borja pinasa kay Christopher. Christopher, no good. Time remaining 3 minutes 42 seconds. Last quarter. Steal by Christopher. Steal by number 2. Good yan, not good. Number 2, no good. Nice. Nice fake by Justine. Pinasa kay Borja. Borja to Kyle. Make. Kyle, no good. Libre si number 18. Kinaliwa pa. No good. Score 42-36.
Pinasok nila ba sa amin?
Wait lang po ah. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Ano po yung sabi niya?
Galing sa labas yung kampi niya, tapos pinasa niya.
Hindi, pwede naman yun. Pinalalabas niya kasi.
Ako pinalabas.
Siya pinalalabas kasi noon pag gano'n.
Sige, sige.
Okay. Okay, naka-advance po sila. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Bad pass. Number 18. Number 18. No good. Okay. Last touch by Kyle. Same ball. Last touch ni Kyle. Dito. 2 minutes, 50 seconds, 14 to shoot. Number 15, pinasa kay number 13. No good. Okay, nakuha ni number 18. No good rin. Nice rebound by Kyle. Okay, labas lang po. Wala pa po tayong free throw. 2 minutes, 34 seconds.
Laga naman. Huli.
Okay, block. Same ball. Langka dito. 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Nice.
Nice D!
Dito po, pare. .22 seconds, 10 to shoot. Wait lang. Sandali, wait lang po. Para wait lang labas. Boss, papaliwanag ko lang. Pwede kayong tawagan ng foul nung opensa kung hindi kayo naka-establish bilang defender.
Tayo lang naman eh.
Okay, game.
Ay, loose!
Okay, steal. Number 18. Okay, good yan ha. Sinasabit pa, libre na. Wala pa po tayong free throw ha. 1 minute 53 seconds. 14 to shoot. Borja, 3 points. Score 42-39.
Laga naman!
Lamang po kayo, tatlo pa.
Laga!
2-3 po tayo. Okay, Paulo, tumawag, bigay natin. 1 minute 32 seconds, 14 to shoot. No good, pero nakuha niya. Number 8. 8 ba yun? Number 2 pala. Okay, foul daw, foul. Labas na po tayo. 1 minute 22 seconds, 14 to shoot. Good po yan, wala po tayong first ball. Borja, no good. Rebound by number 2. Grabe. Number 18, 3 points. 1 minute 5 seconds. Lamang ng 6. Last 55 seconds. 52 seconds remaining. 52 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 15. No good again. Takwa ni number 15, Christopher. Last 37 seconds. Remind ko, lahat ng fouls may free throw na.
Kailan?
25 seconds, 12 to shoot. Last 18 seconds.
Okay.
4.2 seconds remaining. Okay, game ball.